Got these beds together over here. Gonna put my green beans, yellow wax beans. Over on this side, I have my cucumbers back. Got some Market More cucumbers and my National Pickling cucumbers gonna be over here. I have my green beans back over on this side. So let me get busy sowing these seeds. Okay, I have all my seeds sowed over here, my green beans and my yellow wax beans. And my cucumbers over here. I have my trellises that I rigged up here that's gonna, the cucumbers are gonna grow on. Okay, cucumbers and green beans. Yeah, come on and grow now.